For the triangular prism, I drew a net. Then to find the triangle, I did area equals base times height. Area equals 6 times 8 divided by 2. Area equals 24 cm squared. To find the rectangular prism, I did area equals length times width. Area equals 4 times 6. Area equals 24 cm squared. For the other rectangular prism, I did area equals length times width. Area equals 10 times 4. Area equals 40 centimeters squared. For the last rectangular prism, I did area equals length times width. Area equals 8 times 4. Area equals 32 cm squared. For the total surface area, I did TASA equals 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 40 plus 32 equals 144.